Hi, everyone. This is Courtney from Moccamaster USA Consumer Relations team. And in this question, we're going to be addressing what is that organic slimy buildup inside of my brewer's water reservoir? Well, that is usually attributed to different water sources. And this buildup is perfectly normal and occurs in every brewer. But one of the many benefits of having a Moccamaster is it has this beautiful clear water reservoir where you can see this buildup and you know, hey, it's time to clean it. We do have a couple products that we recommend that can help get rid of this organic material. That's going to be Clean Calf by Ernex or BioCalf Cleaner by Ernex as well. Both products are available for purchase on our website, and those are going to help get rid of any organic material as well as coffee oils from your machine. If you live in a more humid climate, you may find that you need to clean your brewer more frequently than if you live in a more dry climate. Also, if you're using well water to brew coffee on your Moccamaster, you may have to clean your brewer more frequently than if you use filtered or bottled water. This doesn't mean that bottled or filtered water is better for your brewer, as this can occur with any kind of water to varying degrees. Something that can help to keep it at bay is to also either completely remove your brewer's water reservoir lid or tilt it to the side once you're done brewing to allow the water to completely evaporate after the brewing cycle. For more information about cleaning your brewer, you can visit our support center or call our consumer relations team. Thank you so much.